What's up, everybody? This is Scotty here at Southern Off-Road. I'll take a second to talk to you about this deck system, the deck storage system we just installed in the back of this Raptor. You do give up some bed space as far as the depth goes, but you gain a lot of storage and organized storage. 2 drawer systems. Along with some storage boxes. Hunting gear, fishing gear, tools, whatever you can think of. It's organized storage in the bed of the truck. There's also tie downs on top in the corners. So if you wanted to add something up top or strap something down up top, you can go to their website for the exact weight capacity. It also has a really cool feature here on top for measurements. On either side, this may be difficult for me to do while I'm holding the camera, but there's storage on either side in these smaller compartments here for a little bit of extra or smaller things. If it's something that you would like to do to your Ford Raptor or any other truck, you can let us know at sales@southernoffroad.com, or on this video we'll provide a link or a form to fill out. That link, you fill out the form and it drops it directly into our shop management system, and then we can get you a quote put together for anything you're looking for.